Plastics in Coral Reefs by Bridget Katz at Smithsonian.com. It's no secret that the world's coral reefs are in bad shape. Climate change has led to widespread coral bleaching. Overfishing has disrupted ecosystems that keep reefs healthy. Toxic runoffs from human industry are destroying the so-called rainforests of the sea, according to Ed Young, reporting for The Atlantic. A new study highlights the distressing magnitude of yet another threat to coral reefs: plastics. The study was published in the journal Science. Researchers analyzed more than 124,000 coral reefs from 159 reefs. The reefs were in Myanmar, Thailand, Indonesia, and Australia, and nearly everywhere they looked, they saw bits of plastic. We came across chairs, chip wrappers, Q-tips, garbage bags, water bottles, old nappies, said Joel Lamb, a marine disease ecologist at Cornell University. She is also the lead author of the study. Everything you see on the beach is probably lying on the reef. The team estimates that at least 11 billion plastic items are ensnared in coral reefs in the Asia Pacific, a number that they believe will increase by 40% by 2025. This could spell disaster for the world's reefs. The team found that when corals came into contact with plastics, the likelihood of corals developing disease jumps from 4% to 89%. Further investigations are needed to determine precisely how and why plastics make coral susceptible to different diseases. But generally speaking, it seems that plastic debris slice open the skin of the corals. This exposes them to pathogens. Pathogens are similar to sicknesses or diseases that can kill coral. Plastic debris can cause physical injury and abrasion to coral tissues. It does so by facilitating invasion of pathogens or by exhausting resources for immune system function during wound healing processes, the author of the study wrote. Drew Harvell is a professor of marine ecology at Cornell and co-author of the study. He tells Daryl Fears of the Washington Post that plastics also shade the light that coral needs and cut off water flow. It is vital to preserve the health of coral reefs for a number of reasons. For one, many marine creatures make their homes living within the reefs, which support more species per unit than any other type of marine environment. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, reefs also protect coastlines from waves and tropical storms. They support both local and international fishing industries and generate billions of dollars for the worldwide tourism industry every year. Another problem for coral reefs has been the recent safety precautions surrounding the use of sunscreen lotion. Many countries are now requiring production of reef-safe sunscreen, which will undoubtedly help perpetuate the coral reef development and maintenance around the world. On January 1st, 2001 in Hawaii, for instance, it's going to be required to be used by law. Throughout the course of their research, the scientists involved in the new study noticed that the plastics problem was not evenly distributed. Reefs near Indonesia had the highest concentration of plastic, while reefs near Australia had the lowest. This could be because Australia boasts the best waste removal system and suggests that there is a relatively easy fix to the issue. We can help clean up the problem, Harvell told Fears. It's so much easier than climate change.